What's going on, guys? Rob from clicksgeek.com. In today's video, we're going to go through a auto detailer client in the last 7 days, and these are the results they've gotten. And again, this type of campaign, we have it basically perfected. We can roll this out into any location for any type of auto detailing company, no matter what services you're offering. We have something that works. And we have dozens of these kinds of campaigns all over the country, and no matter where we deploy them, they always work. So if that's something you're interested in, don't forget to check out the links in the description. You can apply to work with us, or you can also learn to do this yourself. We have lots of free training that we offer in the description as well. And if you're a new viewer, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. All right, so let's get right into it today. You're looking at an auto detail client who's spending $41 a day, and I believe their location is, let's go in real quick, California. So they're in a couple different cities in California. So if we go back at the campaign level, we'll kind of run through statistics here for the last 7 days running. You can see they're spending $41 a day. It's a modest budget. You can really get as low as 20 to 25 a day you can make work, but you're going to have lower lead volume, obviously, but you're still going to get affordable leads. So they're running $41 a day. In the last 7 days, which is July 6th to July 12th, 2021, they've gotten 165 clicks out of 2,201 impressions, 7.5% click-through rate. The average cost per click they're paying is about $1.62. The total cost for the week was $266.88. They've gotten 49 leads. Now, this is a mixture of form submission leads and inbound phone calls. Majority is inbound phone calls, and I'm going to go through the conversion actions after this part, and we can look at those. The cost per conversion, so that's a cost per lead. They're getting leads for $5.45, and the conversion rate for the campaign in this past week is 29.7%, which I'm extremely happy with. Anything over 25%, we're all smiles about. So that's a total win. Now, if we go into the conversion actions, you can see here we have phone calls. So this is actually tracking people who come to the landing page and then either click to call the phone number or pick up their phone and call, if they're on a desktop computer, pick up their phone and call a number on the landing page. Then we have contact form leads, and then we have call extension leads. Now this is a number that displays, a call tracking number that displays in our actual Google ad that somebody can click to call, or they can see it on the desktop computer and they can just dial it and call. So you can see here a majority of the leads are actually phone calls. So we have 65 phone calls and 47. Oh wait, I'm looking at the wrong date here. For the last 7 days. Oh, so okay. So last 7 days actually majority. It's actually pretty even. 27 contact form leads, 14 phone calls from the landing page, and 8 phone calls from the call extension. So pretty even. A little bit more contact forms. And it's actually showing 49 leads instead of 47. And that's probably because one of these is counted twice. You can see here the repeat rate. But majority, it's pretty accurate. So the accurate tally is 47. This is showing 49, so there's probably counting 2 over. But yeah, so 50-50 split on this one, which is actually surprising because most of our detail guys are mostly phone calls. And we'll dig into that in a second. If we go back into the campaign, we'll go down to devices. And we can see here we're actually downbidding desktop computers by 30%. So majority of the leads, whether they're contact forms or phone calls, are coming from mobile devices, and that's awesome. So we'll take that. 3 leads from desktop computers and 1 lead from tablet. This is actually showing 49 leads too. Did I just get the tally wrong when I was looking at it? Oh, okay. So it is 49. I thought it was 47 for some reason. Maybe my eyes are playing tricks on me here. If we go back to campaign level. Oh, it is 49. All right, so it is all accurate. Never mind. I don't know why I thought that was 47. All right, so we're 49 leads in the past 7 days. Now, if we go into the ad groups, you're going to see here they're mostly coming from mobile auto detailing and car detailing. Then we have a couple sporadic guys, auto detailing, Long Beach, auto detailing, Anaheim, Santa Ana. So a couple geo ad groups. Leads are trickling in. And then not really much action going on with the rest of these guys down here, which is tractor trailer, truck, fleet, another geo, and detailing service, which is a single keyword ad group that we're running. No action on that. So these are really basic keywords, guys. And if we just go to the keyword level of the account, you're going to see here we're running exact and phrase match only. So it's really basic campaigns. Feel free to take these keywords, use them for yourself, but keep in mind the real magic is in the landing page and turning the search traffic into actual phone calls and form submissions. So that's something that we also teach. There's a course in the description below this video where you can learn how to do that. Because 29% conversion rate is totally not normal for this kind of campaign. Usually our competitors are anywhere from 7 to 14%. So we're kind of outdoing them by a large margin here. But yeah, you can take this, use these for yourself. The ads I can't show you, unfortunately, for client confidentiality, but they're all very basic ads too. They're responsive search ads. They have every headline filled out, every description filled out, and there are a lot of mobile call to actions in the ads. And they're talking about call for pricing, stuff like that. We can be on site today. Crews are on standby, stuff like that. In the landing page copy, the hook is to get pricing. So that's the major hook on the page is to call for pricing, stuff like that. And that's really pretty much it. And this guy's rocking and rolling, getting a lot of leads. And the longer this runs, the longer he's going to get dialed in, and the more leads he's going to get. So if we go to less, so that's the 7 days, less 30 days, 160 leads, $6.49 a lead at 23% conversion rate. So you can see the conversion rate's actually going up with time because this is starting back from June 13th. Now, in the last 7 days, conversion rate is 29%. So the longer we run, the more we can dial it in and get that conversion rate up and get the cost per lead down and all that good stuff. So again, like I said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. If you want us to run this campaign for you and turn this on in your location, and you can get results like this pretty much the same day we turn it on, just reach out below in the description of this video. We have a link where you can apply, or if you want to learn how to do this yourself, you can also go into the description, and there's a bunch of links in there where we show people how to build these campaigns themselves. All right, guys, hopefully this video was helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Besides that, I will see you guys in the next video.